Alrighty, so today we're getting into this mini powerhouse. This is the DeWalt 20V Max 5-inch electric angle grinder. Without the battery, it's about 4.5 pounds and boasts 9,000 RPMs. That's freaky fast. Without the battery, it costs about $175 on the mighty Amazon. That's down quite a bit from when I bought it at $215 6 months ago. So yeah. This guy is a beast. Don't let its size fool you. Its grip is non-slip. You can switch the handle to either side. And the activation trigger has a fine little safety tab. You can push as hard as you want, but unless you push that at the same time, nothing's gonna happen. So you push, 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 push. Now, if you want to know how to remove the disc blade, I'll show you that at the end, but it's pretty easy. First, the review. So I got this because I had an old car axle sitting in my yard. It was there when I bought the house and I wanted it gone.
Alrighty then.
So I bought a reciprocating saw with a metal blade. The thing is, this thing, as powerful as it is, just bounced around and generally failed to dent the high carbon chromium steel. I mentioned this experience to my brother and he was like, that's what an angle grinder is for. So I got this gnarly beast and would you know it? It made short work of the car axle and I was able to separate it into chunks and get rid of it. Made some money on the scrap metal too.
Nice.
So that's why I bought it and I was glad I did. Okay, what I like most about this saw is its power and its sturdiness. As with all DeWalt tools, it's tough and well balanced. It is also extremely easy to use. Just pop the battery in and you're good to go. But don't let its ease of use fool you when it comes to this puppy's danger level. Like, seriously, this thing could mess you up. And wear safety glasses. Let me say that again. Wear safety glasses. You do not want shards of steel in your eyes. I would even go so far as to recommend these. Full wraparound goggles. Just, yeah. Also, the spark shield rotates easily when you depress this little tab. So you do that, and this will rotate around. That's nice. And using my 60-volt battery, it'll run for about half an hour, which is crazy considering how powerful it is. The only thing I wasn't thrilled with was the handle. It does the job, don't get me wrong, but it's plastic and feels cheap. Not a big deal, but when compared to the rest of the unit, it just feels wrong. Okay, now for the disc blade removal process.
Thank you!
It's super easy, barely an inconvenience. All you do is press the switch on the back, which locks everything in place, and then use an Allen wrench to loosen the nut. Standard lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, as shown on the nut itself. And there you go. Perfect! Now, let's real quick put it back on. So you get this lined up just right. Screw that on, and again, it's just gonna spin unless you push this tab in the back, like that. So now it's locked. Go like this, and tighten, and you're done. In conclusion, I would absolutely recommend this tool. It's a top-of-the-line unit, cordless, and crazy powerful. Definitely a little on the pricey side, but I say it's worth it, especially if you already have one of the batteries. Hope this review was helpful. If you're looking for a gift idea for any dad worth his salt, look no further. And with that, keep up the good work. More reviews to come. Cheerio!